US30 has shown slight bullishness throughout this day. In fact, it has stayed above 33,800 now. At the same time, US100 has seen almost close to the lows which it has seen in last couple of drops around 14,950 and now trying to recover. So what to expect in Dow Jones and Nasdaq today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts. And this is the second update for the day. The first update was released with the Europe and Asia session. Definitely those who watched must have profited, and hence to get the notification you can press the bell icon or join my free Telegram channel. Let's start first Nasdaq 100 followed with Dow Jones. Watch till the end. Yes, if you think that I am delivering value to you, you can press the like button and do share, subscribe and comment as well. Now let's have a look at Tech 100 on the hourly chart. See, if you look at, there are higher lows which are seen, almost double bottom. If you look at the symmetrical formation, there is a possibility of a rise again. We have to be watchful here. Yes, divide into two and symmetrical formation, wait for it to break past 15080 levels and 15100. If these two levels are breached, you can expect a rise towards 15150 15180 zone, the next resistance zone. Also, if you look at the hourly charts here, higher lows are seen and this candle is trying to break on the upside. I will wait for 15050 15070 levels to be breached. Stochastic flat, MACD trying to trade with slight bullishness. RSI is also looking upwards here. Coming to 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour charts, higher lows, let it stay above. In fact, 15025 you can expect a little rise, but then ideal buying position is at around 15050 15065. See, multiple candles getting the resistance here. Also look at the movement here, it is symmetrical and hence possibly we may see prices moving towards 15080 15100 levels at least. In fact, it can breach on the upside, move towards 15110 15140 150 zone. That is going to be the next target on the upside. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is bearish, it is willing to converge, it can possibly cross over and move forward to a buying position and retrace a little on the upside. RSI almost has hit a bottom. Coming to 3. Interestingly, see, I have been every time mentioning about this channel. I have been forming this channel since long. In my videos, you must have seen precisely the prices reverse from the top of the channel. Also, if you look at, see, this is trading in this bullish zone. The support is almost done at 14950. And any point of time, if you see prices staying below 14900 and 800, treat Nasdaq 100 as bearish if you see it staying below 14900. Now what is happening here, you can see the symmetry here again on the 3-hour chart. This is symmetrical formation, higher lows, it is trying to rise, possibly 15070 it needs to break past by 15100 greater resistance and then 140 150 zone the next. Beyond that the bulls will take over. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is trading with a divergence and bearishness, possibly it can converge, crossover and move forward to a buying position. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 4-hour. Now on the 4-hour charts, after 3 retracement candles, the preceding candle was the first bearish candle here. Now this candle has also left a tail on the downside. This suggests that any drop below 14940 should bring more bearishness, which might take it till towards 14900 first target, then 14840 and 800 levels as the next target. Stochastic rising, MACD is trading with a bearish bias, possibly we can see it converging and crossing over. Right now it is staying bearish. RSI trading comfortable, it has dropped strongly. Coming to the day, likewise on the daily charts, you may find that the resistance is intact at the top of the channel. At the same time, higher lows are seen here, and thus only below 14940 further bearishness is going to prevail. Where if you see prices staying below 14900, just stay short and then more bearishness is going to prevail towards 14840 800 levels. There is a possibility to it. At the same time, right now it is giving you higher lows, higher highs, and hence beyond 15070 and 15100 levels, the bulls will take over here. See, MACD is in green and it is still room for it to continue on the upside. RSI is staying flat and stochastic has dropped here. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy Nasdaq today at around 15025. Expect 15050, 15070 as the first resistance zone and targets which are achievable. Then 15100. Beyond 15100 is where the bulls will take over today for 15150 and 200 levels. On the downside, you can sell here at 15, or I will say a comfortable sell entry is only below 14970, but then you have to be cautious and alert for 14940 levels. Only bearish confirmation once you see it staying below 14950. Expect 14900 and 14800 as the major support levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 26 batch is going to start on today, and in 1 hour from now, 1.5 hours from now, you can still book your seat. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at US30 on the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, moving averages crossed over here, trading with divergence and bullishness. 33,700 is now going to be a key support here. 33,700, 680. Yes, at any point of time, if you see prices staying below 33,700, 680, stay short. You are looking forward to 33,650 and 600. 600 is the next major support here. Also, if you look at the formation, rise, retracement, rise. So possible retracement towards 33,750, 700 is there, but it is still going to be treated as bullish. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is flat. Coming to on the 2 hour chart, the preceding candle has a flat closing here. So looking at this, possibly this candle can be of increasing body size, where we can look forward for it to break past by 33,850, and rather I will wait for it to behave. How it behaves, that is what I will observe at around 33,880, 920 zone. Beyond that, the bulls will take over for 33,960, 34,000 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, trading. If you look at the RSI, this is looking upwards. On the 3 hour, taking the support from the 20 period, trying to rise, tail is formed. Possibly this could form a bigger wick, which might take it to till towards 33,880, 920. And then if it breaks past 960, stay long for 34,050, 34,200 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This crossover may bring little bullishness here. You can see the waves here, the first wave, second wave, and if it continues to rise from here, more bullishness may prevail. RSI rising, coming to 4 hour charts. Likewise, on the 4 hour charts, moving average is crossing over 33,700, 680 is the greatest support here on the down. And now on the upside, we have seen it getting raised at around 33,820, 830 levels. So yes, you can buy here, expect 33,880, 920 as the next major resistance. Stochastic has come to overbought levels. MACD is on the verge of a bullish cross. RSI is flat near to top. Coming to the day, on the daily charts, one important observation is the higher lows which is shown. The previous candle was also a swing candle, and hence, as long as 33,950, 34,000 levels are respected, we are not going to treat US30 as bullish. In fact, beyond 34,000, this time it is going to hit 34,050 levels as the first resistance. Yes, it has a potential to achieve 34,050 levels, but should not be treated bullish there as well. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is crossed over, and it is trading with divergence and while RSI is staying flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy Dow Jones 33,840, expect 33,880, 920 at the first resistance zone, then 960 and 34,050 are the two major targets which it would like to achieve. This time it is going to break 34,000 and not reverse from 33,960. That is my expectation. On the upside, beyond 34,050, certainly more bullishness may prevail, where one can look forward to 34,200. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 33,700. And below 33,750, you can look forward to 33,720 and 680 levels. This is going to be a great support. Below 680 is where the bears will take over for 33,650 and 600 as the next. As long as 33,600 is expected, the chances of a reversal will be very high, and we can see bullishness from there. Hence, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Trade safe. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update for Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. Watch that as well.